Hi there! So, for summer you might want to spice things up a little bit when it comes to your makeup. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do my colorful liners with just eyeshadows. I feel like I did this trick 1,000 times, but I want to have a separate dedicated video to this subject. Today I feel like doing a purple liner, so that's what we're going to do, and buckle up, let's get into it! First I'm going to need some kind of a base on my lids. I'm going to use my Stay Naked concealer from Urban Decay. Just a tiny dot of that just to cancel out the darkness that I have on my lids because of my deep set eyes. And I'm going to blend that in using my finger. And then I'm also going to set that with a tiny bit of translucent powder. Just stamping my powder on my lids to make sure that it won't crease. It will crease probably throughout the day, but for a few hours it's going to be fine. Here you can use a shadow in your crease if you feel like doing that. Again, I have deep set eyes. I don't really feel like doing that most of the time because I already have a natural shadow in my crease. So we're just going to focus on the liner. What I love about this trick is that you can basically do your eyeliner in any color that you want. You just need an eyeshadow in that certain color. So basically you can spice it up and do different color liners every day. So what you're going to need is an angled eyeliner brush. This is the small angled brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. You can also use a brow brush because brow brushes are shaped similarly to this. And also you will need some micellar water, and I have the tiniest bit of micellar water left in this bottle. I always use this one. I already repurchased it. And obviously you're going to need an eyeshadow in the desired color. I have here the Slice of Paradise palette by Beaute, and I'm going to use this purple. This is the blue. I'm going to use this purple in the palette. Oh, this is fun as well, but I think I'm going to reach for the darker one. I only tried this trick with mattes. I'm guessing that shimmers work as well, but I do like the definition of a matte eyeliner. Basically, you're going to want to do this thing and wet your brush with the micellar water. Get it like really damp, and then you're going to want to dip in your eyeshadow, but make sure you dip in the corner of the eyeshadow because this can really mess up the texture. So just dip in the corner so the rest of the eyeshadow will be good for blending. You can obviously do, if you want to do purple liner for more days, you can just dip in the same corner every time. Don't feel like you need to ruin your entire shadow for this trick. This is going to create a paste texture on your brush, and you can do your liner however you want to at this point. I'm basically doing a line continuing my lower lash line, kind of like that, going up. And then I'm connecting that to my lid. And look how effortless that is. I like keeping my eyes open while I do my liners, because that way I can go over the eye folds and really do a liner that's going to lift my outer corner and just look flattering overall. By the way, you should watch my in-depth tutorial on eyeliner. I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen. I think I used liquid liner for that one, but it's kind of the same technique. Okay, finished up my makeup. My budgie is here, don't mind him. Thing is, I tried to do purple lashes. I think purple lashes would look dope in this combination. I don't have a proper purple mascara. I do have this 3D brow tones from Benefit in the shade purple. This is meant for brows, but I tried to use it as a lash topper, and I don't know, it just doesn't show up. On my bottom lashes I only use this product, but it kind of looks black. I think it's too dark of a purple. Anyways, I did the most minimal base ever. I just used that Stay Naked concealer on my under eyes, set it with some powder, and then used cream blush. And that's it. I also did apply a lip liner and a gloss, and that is my makeup. I love this base. I think I'm going to keep doing it for summer. Probably I'm going to show you how I did it in another video. We'll see, I don't know what the future holds. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and you will try this eyeliner technique. I've used this technique ever since I found out about it. I think you can also use setting spray to wet your brush, but I'm not sure though. The thing is, your brush needs to be really wet, not just slightly damp, because that's how you turn the eyeshadow into a paste basically. Let me know if you will try it. I really hope you will. And that is it for me. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope I will see you in my next one. Bye!